So as I talked about in class, you are going to have two choices for your severe weather project. Um, First being design a weather map. So that's where you're going to make a map from that movie. So remember we talked about Encanto, Frozen, we talked about Little Mermaid, and then Wizard of Oz. So you're going to make a map of that place, and it doesn't have to be super detailed, just a basic kind of where are things in that situation that you picked. And then you're going to be drawing symbols that make it look like a thunderstorm or a blizzard or a tornado. And I do have examples um, if you do choose this one. In this video, I'm just going to be going over the two options, and then I'm going to split it off into two separate videos going into more detail into each option. The second option here is that wild weather poster. So that's the one where you're going to pick one. You don't have to do all four, but you're going to pick one of the severe weather from the list given. You have tornado, hurricane, blizzard, or thunderstorm, and then you're going to make an informative poster about that weather you've chosen. I've laid everything out for that in Class Kick here, but make sure you watch the video going through the directions so you know exactly what I'm going to expect for your project, because if you don't, I might have you redo it, and you don't want to invest time in something and then have to redo it. So make sure you are watching the video about the directions so you know what to do.